Hello students, welcome back. In our previous video we have discussed client server and peer-to-peer models, advantages and disadvantages of network hardware, and today we will discuss structure of a network. Before we proceed, let us know what is a network topology. The physical layout of all the devices connected to the network is known as network topology. There are a number of ways in which network connections can be set up. Network topology defines the path that the nodes in a network take for exchange information. What is a node? A node can be a computer or other electronic devices such as printers, scanners that are connected to the network is called a node. Some of the common network topologies are bus topology, star topology, and ring topology. We will discuss one by one. Bus topology. In the figure you can see all the nodes, that means all the devices are connected to a single cable, that is called bus. So in the bus topology, all the network devices are connected to a single cable called the bus. The bus is the communication medium through which all the devices are connected to each other. Now we'll see advantage and disadvantage of this network. The advantage of this network topology is that it is easy to set up because all the devices have to be just connected to the main network cable. And the disadvantage of this network is that if the main network cable breaks, the whole network breaks down. That means we will not be able to communicate with any other devices. So the main cable, that is in which all the devices are connected, that is very important. If that main cable is broken, then we will not be able to communicate with each other. Now let us see star topology. As you can see in this figure, the devices are connected in such a fashion that it looks like a star. You can see a central computer that is called a hub. All the devices are connected to the hub. Each device in this network is connected to the hub with a separate connection. Now what is the advantage and disadvantage of this topology? The advantage of this network is that the failure of a single connection does not affect the entire network. Like in bus topology, if the cable breaks, it affects the entire network. So in star topology, if any failure occurs to any connection, only that particular faulty connection to be fixed. The disadvantage of this network is that if the hub fails, the entire network goes down. Next we will discuss ring topology. In this topology, each device is connected to two other devices, thus forming a ring, as you can see in the figure. The advantage of this network is that communication flows in only one direction from one device to the other. Because of this, the data gets transferred quickly. The disadvantage of this network is that if even one device fails, the entire network breaks down. Another type of network topology is mesh topology, which is the best choice when we require reliability in the network. In this topology, each node is connected to every other node in the network. A break in a cable or device may not affect the entire network as in the case of other topology. The disadvantage of this network is that it is difficult to set up and more costlier to implement because it requires more cables than any other topologies. Now let us discuss types of network. There are many different types of networks available. Those are local area network, LAN, MAN, metropolitan area network, WAN, wide area network. Apart from this, there are some other networks are also available. Those are WLAN wireless local area network, PAN personal area network. Basically, the main difference among these networks are the geographical area they cover. Now let us see what is a LAN, local area network. A local area network is a private network that operates within a limited area such as an organization. This type of network connects computers and peripheral devices in the same office or building. This type of network are widely used in schools, universities and offices. Since LANs cover small areas, cables or low power radio signals are used for communication. Now let us see what is a wide area network, WAN. A wide area network covers a very large area such as a country or continent. This type of network is used to connect computers at various cities in a country or across the world. A WAN connects computer and LANs in different cities or countries via telephone lines, satellites and fiber optic cables. A repeater is used in a WAN to extend the signal over a distance. Here in this network we can cover a very large area. The internet is a perfect example of a WAN. Now let us see what is a WLAN, wireless local area network. A wireless local area network uses radio signals instead of cables to connect different computers in a network. These networks are widely used these days, especially in homes and offices. At the center of the WLAN is a wireless router called the access point. Here in this figure you can see the access point is used to send and receive data from the computers in the network. Since anyone can connect to this wireless network, we should secure it with a password. Another type of network is PAN, personal area network. This type of network is centered around an individual and covers a very small area. It has very short range. Bluetooth is an example of a short range wireless personal area network. The range of a typical Bluetooth network is just a few meters. Bluetooth is found in devices such as computers, mobile phones, speakers and media players. This device contains small low power radio transmitters and receivers. When devices with Bluetooth are within range of each other and switched on, they detect each other and get paired. Paired means connected. This type of network is helpful for transferring data from one device to another. This is all about the first chapter, computer network. Now let us see the summary of this chapter. A computer network is a group of computers which are connected with each other for communicating and sharing information. This is called a computer network. In a network, computers that request information are called clients and the computers that provide information are called servers. The commonly used network topologies are bus topology, star topology and ring topology. Some popular networks are local area network, LAN, metropolitan area network, MAN and wide area network, WAN. A WAN covers a large area than a MAN and a LAN. A wireless local area network uses radio signals instead of cables to connect different computers in a network. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless personal area network which uses very small area to communicate with each device. Students, this is all about your computer network. In our next video, we'll discuss the question answers. Till then, bye bye.